In this video, we will be discussing the PANOOB 16-channel 4K security camera system. I have provided the Amazon link to this security camera system in the description below if you want to know the latest pricing details and offers. This system comes as a complete package with 16 wired 5MP turret cameras and a 16-channel NVR preloaded with a 4TB hard drive, making it ideal for both home and business surveillance. The cameras are designed with a wide 110-degree lens to ensure every corner of your property is covered clearly, while the built-in microphones allow for one-way audio recording, adding another layer of security. One of the standout features is its AI human and vehicle detection. This smart system can distinguish between genuine security events, like a person or car entering the premises, and irrelevant motion such as leaves or animals. This significantly reduces false alarms and sends real-time notifications directly to your smartphone. Speaking of remote access, the PANOOB system pairs seamlessly with the Guard Viewer app, allowing you to monitor your property from anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can keep an eye on your home in real time with just a few taps on your phone or tablet. Installation is surprisingly easy thanks to the plug-and-play setup. The NVR handles video, audio, and power through a single Ethernet cable, so there's no need for complex wiring or technical knowledge. This makes it very beginner-friendly and convenient for DIY enthusiasts. The cameras are also built to last, featuring durable metal casings and an IP67 weatherproof rating, which means they can handle rain, dust, or extreme conditions without compromising performance. Nighttime security is covered as well, with powerful infrared LEDs providing clear footage up to 100 feet even in complete darkness. Of course, there are a few considerations. Since this is a wired system, installation requires running cables throughout your property, which may take some planning. Additionally, while the AI detection is very accurate, like all systems, it's not completely immune to occasional false alerts. However, the 2-year quality assurance and lifetime technical support offered by PANOOB ensure that any issues or questions can be handled promptly, giving you confidence in your investment. Overall, this security camera system balances advanced features, high-quality performance, and practical convenience, making it a strong choice for anyone looking to protect their home or business.